So I'm learning a lot from this gentleman that's in the UK. He's apparently the biggest retailer of nanogans, and GANs is basically different types of plasma on the nanoscale. And so we're going to be running a bunch of different, what I would call experiments together. Like yesterday, I said, why can't I put 4 different types in water? And he says, when they make direct contact with each other, because water is basically a medium where they're all connected, he said that actually causes them to lose their strength. He said, if you put it on the outside of the glass and another one on the outside of the glass, because they're not in direct contact, that's okay. But he said it takes longer to charge that way. When you put it directly in the glass, it takes 4 hours. When you have it on the outside of the glass, it takes 6 to 12 hours. So that's very interesting how these effects work. He said the best method would be basically to put 1 in each bottle because it'll charge faster. And then if you want to mix them all together. And so I just thought that was cool. And so I'm learning a lot about these different types of technology because there's nanogans to help you heal. There's nanogans to help you release. There's nanogans to do different types of things in your body. And people are running different types of tests. Now that we all think that we're getting our crystalline bodies, there's nanogans that run, what is that stuff that's done on the nanoscale? There's nanogan silica, which is like we're getting our crystalline bodies, our silica bodies, and even like a lot of old, what I call ancient tech used to have a lot of silica embedded into it, which also transfers energy. And now that I'm reading The Body Electric, it shows you how your body transfers energy. And so all of this stuff is connected, right? We are just giant antennas. As we do these experiments together, okay, with the nanogans, it can help alleviate an entire room and the energy within it. I didn't know that. I don't know if there's any type of magnetic effect that happens. I don't know if there's any, like, if the plasma from a Tesla coil affects nanogans, if cymatics affect nanogans. I have no idea what kind of things we can go down here. If we can get nanogans to be transparent, can we shoot lasers through it and imprint that on water and make it imprint faster? I have no idea, but we're going to start running tests, and we all need to start opening up where we're going, what we're doing, and our creativity will then start to bubble up to a place where it just keeps coming and coming and coming, and we just have all of this to give, right? We don't have to hold on to our ideas because there's a river that we can tap into where it just keeps coming and coming and coming, and I'm here to give all of this away for you guys. I'm also here to work with you guys if you guys want to work with me and join my Light Fam. I love you guys. I know that we're all meant to do this together. I know that not one person's supposed to do this because whenever that happens, there's inflated ego, there's God mentality, there's people that look to you instead of God. None of that needs to happen here. We're all equals. We're all upgrading together. We're all learning to walk by the Spirit. We're all learning what the 5D really is, and that's actually causing us to want to have harmony, to want to have oneness, to want to be connected instead of us getting inflated. And so whenever you see someone getting inflated, walk away, friends, because that means that they're not in touch with who they really are, because inflation always brings division because you think you're something that you're not. And that's just not what we want to emanate right now. It's just not the way.